Boys and girls, remember earlier this morning, the other day, we talked about vowels and consonants, right? The two kinds of letters that are in our alphabet. Tell me the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Put those in your backpack. You do not wear sunglasses in school. They can be worn at recess, not in the classroom. Okay, I'm going to say a word and clap as I say it. Listen to the word and the claps and see if you can tell me how many claps or parts you hear. Okay, ready? Computer. Okay, how many parts did you hear? How many claps? Everyone show me on your hands. How many parts did you clap? No, I didn't ask you to do it. I did not ask you to do it. I'm asking you to show me how many claps. Okay, yes, there was 3. Each of those parts in that word is a syllable. A syllable is a word part that contains its own vowel sound. So if a word has 3 parts, how many syllables are there? 3. Let's try another word. Are you ready? Raccoon. Clap with me. Raccoon. Okay, how many parts were there? 2. So how many syllables are there? 2. Okay. Try the word elephant. Clap with me. Elephant. Okay. How many parts were there in that one?
3.
How many syllables does that mean it is?
3.
Okay, now try the word mouse. Are you ready? Mouse. How many parts are there?
1.
How many syllables does that mean then?
1.
Okay, very good. So, you guys know what syllables are now, okay? All right, I am going to do, really quickly review letter cards and picture cards with you again, and sight word cards one more time. So I'm going to pause the video while we do that, okay? Okay, so we said we're going to write some sight words in this first box. On number 1, spell the word the. There are 3 letters, so it has 3 lines for you, okay? The. Number 2, spell the word was. Number 3, spell the word you. Okay. I want you to get your red pencil out. You're going to check yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I will tell you. You just go sit down right now, and I'll tell you right now. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay? Number 1. This is why you have your red pencil. Get your red pencil, because if it's wrong, you're going to fix it, okay, with your red pencil. T-H-E for the. If you spelled it wrong, you erase and you write the right letter. Number 2, was. W-A-S. If you spell the letter wrong, you erase it with your red and you write it with your red. You understand? Okay. That way this is the only way your parents know what you need to help spell, okay? Number 3.
A mistake is a mistake.
Number 3. U. Y-O-U. Yeah, I know that. Yep. Yeah, no, if you didn't miss any, just don't worry about it. Okay? All right. Okay, remember, yesterday we talked about most of the consonants, but we did leave some out. Echo these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Final means end, okay? To see if you discover one of the consonants we left out. Are you ready? Fox. Fox. Oh, sorry, you're supposed to echo them. Fox. The letter that makes the sound is letter X. The letter X is different from most letters because it actually makes two sounds. It makes the sound. Okay? X sounds like S. Does that make sense? Okay, so like we said, X makes the K sound, the KS together, okay? Where do we find the letter X in those words? Where do we find it? Yes, but instead of calling it at the end, we're going to call it in the final position. Okay, in the final position or at the end. That's right, X is usually found either in the middle of words or at the end. Okay, listen to these words. X-ray, xylophone, xylem. Now look at these words when I write them. X-ray, xylophone. I hope I'm sounding this one out right. Xylem. When X is found at the beginning or the initial position, so when I say initial, I mean beginning. Okay? So that's the beginning. Okay? When it's found in the initial position, it sounds like a Z. Okay? Like xylophone sounds like a Z. So maybe this is xylem. Okay? Or it says its name like X-ray. So it might be xylem instead of Z or X. Xylem. Okay? Most of the time, X will give its normal sound of X and will be found in the middle or the end of the word. Okay, so boys and girls. Okay, so we have our letter card now for X. Okay. Then I will show you your picture card. Okay. Yes, you're going to say X box. Okay. Back here, I have a cubby. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, hold on. All right. All right, we will use the word fox to help us remember the sound of X. Okay? We'll call that our keyword picture. What's the keyword picture for X?
Fox.
Fox. Very good. Okay, what is unusual for the sound of a letter? So what do you think we will say when we see the card fox? Yeah, you say X, fox. Okay. Now, put your turn your worksheet back over to this page. 29. Yep. I want you to put the letter for the sound, which would be X. Very good. Okay, now, boys and girls, we're going to have even some more new things. Okay? Yes, right now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go right here for a minute, okay? All right, so I'm going to write this word on the board. Or this word, and this word. Okay, this word right here, can anybody read it?
Fits.
What is it? Fits. Okay. Can anyone tell me which letter is a vowel in that word? What letter, Elise? I. Look at this rule. Okay, I have a new rule card for you. Okay? The first vowel rule says that if a vowel followed by a consonant is short, code it with a breathe. Okay? So we're going to learn how to code today now, which you guys kind of said you were already going to do anyway. All right? So, Is this vowel, is the I followed by a consonant?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a consonant after it, isn't there? Okay, yes. So, we need to code it with a breathe. So, on fit, we will put a breathe on top of it. Okay? You don't have it right now. Okay? So then we would just blend the sounds. It. You know what it is. Okay? Alright, so what's that word again, boys and girls? Fit. Okay, let's code this one. What word is this? Okay, does it have a vowel in it? Yeah, every word has a vowel. Is that vowel followed by a consonant?
Yes.
So how should I code this? With a breathe. Okay, how about this one? Is this vowel followed by a consonant?
Yes.
So this would be a
Breathe.
Now let's read it. Ba-e-g. Okay. I'm going to hang up this card in our classroom right over here. Okay, so you can use this rule whenever you need to. Okay?
Okay.
All right. There is another place you can look for coding if you need help. This is our reference booklet, which I have not given you yet, so I will have to do that for you. Sorry. Okay. So today we learned that the short vowel rule. Let's look in the, okay. I can't look in the table of contents because you don't have it. All right. Now, I need to go back to this page. Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay. Number 4. We're going to do some spelling high frequency word practice. Number 4. I need you to write with your pencil, your regular pencil. Write the word and. Number 4. Write the word and. On the other side, Olivia. And. Number 5. Write the word got. Got. And number 6. Write the word help. Okay, now get out your red pencils. And I will write them on the board and you can check them if you change them if you need to, okay? Can anyone tell me which letter is a vowel in this word? Haley? How should we code this vowel? How should we code the vowel? With a what? What is that called that goes on top of it? You remember? What is it? A breathe. Why should we code it with a breathe?
It's followed by a consonant.
It's followed by a consonant. Yes. Okay. Now, boys and girls, there's another rule. Okay? Raise your hand if you think, what's at the beginning of this word? Boys and girls? And how does it sound? K. Now, raise your hand if you think you know how to code the C. How do we code it? With a what? With a K back. K back. So, that's how we do it. Whenever we have two like consonants next to each other, we can call these twin consonants. Okay? Does anybody know what the word twin means? What does it mean? Yeah, like two things are almost exactly alike, right?